This chicken sauce recipe is not just simple, but it is packed with so much flavor. Hi, I'm Aram and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making vegetable chicken sauce. I have here some chopped up chicken thigh, and to spice and season it, I'm going with some onions, ginger, garlic, black pepper. I'll quickly blend that, pour that all over the chicken, add some onga chicken powder. This is going to give the chicken so much flavor. I also added some curry powder, salt to taste, and a couple of bay leaves. I'll give that a good and even mix, cover and allow that cook for roughly 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Once the chicken is well cooked, I'll move on to shallow frying it. So into a pan, I'll add a little oil and transfer the steamed chicken into the oil. Shallow fry, toss and turn till it is slightly brown on all sides. Just like this. You don't need to fry it completely. I just want to get it a little brown around the edges. Next, I'll be adding some vegetables. So I have some carrots, onions, cucumber, and green pepper. I cut the vegetables a bit chunky so that it's visible and prominent in the sauce. Also, for some heat, I like to add some chopped up chili peppers. This is going to give it a very delicious and spicy kick. Then I'll add the chicken stock I got from steaming the chicken. This step is very compulsory. Now for the slurry, I'll mix about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch or cornflour with water and pour that all over the chicken sauce. I will also add about a tablespoon of dark soy sauce and give it a good stir till everything is beautiful and well combined. At this point, I'll taste to see if the salt is enough, and if it's not, I'll lightly adjust the seasoning with a bit of onga shrimp tablet and a pinch of salt. Give it one last good stir and allow that cook for roughly 5 minutes. And as simple as that, the chicken sauce will be ready. So I paired with some plain rice and green chili sauce. I have a number of green chili sauce recipes on my channel, so do check it out. Also, this is one recipe you need to give it a try. You'd love it. Anyway, we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, if you found it useful, kindly like, leave a comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes from me. Thank you for watching and bye.